Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I've been working on some Christmas crafts for the kids to do this over the holidays. And one of the things that I made here that I think you'll like doing, and it's very simple because it's probably things that you have around your house, is a Christmas wreath. And all it is you take a paper plate and you cut out the center and you use some sort of a tie mechanism. I used yarn here so that it can be hung up. And these are all cupcake wrappers. And I used a couple of layers. I used a big one for the back, then a small one, and then I put something in the center. You know, you can use cutouts, glued cutouts like I have here, or buttons would work really good, or any kind of these little decorations that you can buy at your dollar store or Walmart or wherever you shop. Grocery stores, wherever you shop, they probably have some little cute little things like this. Or you could cut out your own shapes out of construction paper. That would be really easy to do. But buttons work great also. So that's what this one is. And you can use a small paper plate or a big one. It doesn't matter for your wreath. And you just cut out the center and then glue your cupcake papers all around. Here's an example of a small one I made. This is on a small paper plate, and I used one cupcake wrapper, and then I just glued all kinds of little sparklies on it. So use what you have. I mean, these are things that I had in my craft closet, so that's what I used. So you can make either kind, big one, small one. I think they're both cute. I'm sure the kids would have fun making them. All right, thank you. Happy crafting. Happy holidays. Bye.